Hey guys, welcome back to Mad About Skin. Now, The Ordinary as a skincare brand gets a lot of hype, attention and love online. I'm a huge advocate for the brand, their affordable drugstore prices and the quality of their formulations. But when you look at The Ordinary skincare collection, I think one product stands out as being overlooked most, and it's this, The Ordinary EUK 134, which happens to be one of the most potent antioxidants on the market, but a product that doesn't get a lot of love and attention in people's skincare routines. That's for a number of reasons, because whilst the benefits can be amazing, this product isn't the easiest to use in your skincare routine, which is why in this video I'm going to share with you the pros and cons of reaching for it, how to successfully layer it into your skincare routine if you realise that this may be a hidden gem that could benefit you, and of course all the things you need to know to make an informed decision. So sit back, relax, let's talk The Ordinary EUK 134. Now, before we get into this video, I would love to know, are you one of the few people that's actually tried this product for your skincare routine? You've not let it pass you by, you've actually given it a try. Sound off in the comments section below and let me know your own experiences and the results that you got from it. I want to get this message out there loud and clear because I think this could be a holy grail for a lot of people that they might just be sleeping on, whereas for some others it might just be too complex to slot into their own skincare routine. I want everyone to be an informed consumer, have the right information so they can make the best decisions for their own skin. And the best way of helping me to achieve that is by reaching down and giving this video a thumbs up and a like. The more likes a video gets, the more widely YouTube will publish it on its platform. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much. Now I want to keep this short, sharp and to the point, so we just cut that waffle and delve straight on in. Let's kick things off with what is The Ordinary EUK 134. Well, it's an oil-based antioxidant. It's actually only got a couple of ingredients within this. It's like simplicity personified, but those ingredients are actually enzyme-based. It's the enzymes which are already present in our skin which provide some really great antioxidant protection. It's said to be specifically great at minimizing the amount of redness in the skin, but also in the long term preventing photo-aging and damage. I'm of course all about that. It's really nice to have a blend of antioxidants in your skincare routine because I think whilst a lot of us will reach for our SPF, our sun cream for that protection, that's only like half the battle. You need a good broad spectrum sunscreen, but then to use it alongside an antioxidant. Sunscreens protect against UV wavelengths of light and the damage that they cause, whereas antioxidants protect the skin against free radicals. Things such as pollution, particulate matter, blue light, these hit the skin throughout the day and they stress it out. This oxidative stress can degrade collagen, exacerbate fine lines and wrinkles, and trigger hyperpigmentation. So anything we can do to kind of prevent that oxidative stress has to be a good thing for the overall health and look of our skin. This is kind of where antioxidants come in. There are so many different ones on the market. In fact, there's a baffling array, and all of them claim to do subtly different things. So this one is comprised of different enzymes that, like I say, are already present in the skin. The key one is superoxide dismutase, which a lot of you might know from the mist that the NEOD, parent company of The Ordinary, already sell. That mist has a cult following, with people saying, honestly, it's one of the best antioxidants they've tried. Well, this EUK 134 kind of works in a very similar way for a fraction of the price point. So if you're a fan of the NEOD mist and you want to get that superoxide dismutase action in your skincare routine, but on a budget, this might be a really good product to reach for. This kind of protects the skin. It works in two key ways to minimize that redness, but also to decrease the risk of any oxidative stress caused by free radicals. What is fairly unique with the EUK 134 formulation is it actually regenerates itself. So traditionally with antioxidants, they'll kind of protect, surround a free radical and prevent it from doing any damage. Once it surrounds that free radical, it kind of oxidizes itself and then it becomes ineffective as an antioxidant. However, the ability of EUK 134 to kind of regenerate itself means it has a much longer mechanism of action. You can put this on in the morning and it'll still be working for you 24 hours later, which from a convenience perspective is a really good thing. Just a once a day application, no need to reapply, and you're still getting that protection all day long. These enzymes are also clinically proven to reduce the amount of redness in the skin. So if you're someone that's prone to a lot of redness, to sensitivity, or maybe even rosacea in the skin, this will definitely help to minimize that redness over a period of time. It's not going to happen overnight, but I definitely know from the studies that have been out there that if you use it consistently, you'll minimize that redness, which again can be triggered by those free radicals, which this is designed to protect the skin against. I think it's a fairly comprehensive formulation and one that I would use alongside other antioxidants to really double down on the benefits that you're going to see. But it's definitely a great place to start. Like all of the Ordinary products, it's super affordable. For mine, I think I paid like £8, which is really good for such a high potency antioxidant. So with all of those benefits that I've just outlined, its ability to reverse photo aging, to protect against free radical damage, and even reduce redness and irritation in the skin. A lot of people might be thinking, well, Rob, why is this an unsung hero? Why aren't people shouting about this from the rooftops? Well, in truth, for all of those benefits, there is like another side to that story. This is one of the most difficult ingredients to incorporate in a skincare routine because it's super delicate and temperamental. You have to be really careful of what you use this alongside. It doesn't pair well with low pH exfoliating acids, pure form vitamin C's. It doesn't really lend itself to copper peptide use alongside it either, because that can dial up sensitivity and irritation. And you have to be mindful if you use it alongside azelaic acid to make sure that, again, that pH of the azelaic acid isn't too low as to impact the performance of the product. This is a product that really lends itself to a simplistic skincare routine. If you're the sort of person that just likes to cleanse, maybe use one serum, a moisturizer, then go to bed, absolutely this could slot well into that style of routine. But if you're someone that has multiple steps, you like to skin cycle, which is where you mix up actives on different days, this is just going to be too complex to actually slot into your routine. And I think, the level of complexity doesn't really warrant the results that you're going to get. This is where it's all going to come down to your own ethos when it comes to skincare. Are you someone that likes to keep it super simple but would like the added benefit of an antioxidant, in which case this would definitely be the one I recommend? Or are you someone that has quite an extensive skincare routine, in which case I just think there are easier to incorporate antioxidants on the market that will give you very similar outcomes. If I was to use this in a skincare routine, and I did put it through its paces for a couple of weeks and got relatively good results, I think for me, I definitely got a little bit of a brightness from the skin. I definitely got some hydration because it's in an oil-based formulation. And I did notice some of what I call like the winter skin, that redness and slight chapping to the skin was definitely diminished after I used this. However, I can get all of those benefits from other skincare ingredients and products without the hassle of really having to think about where this goes in my routine. So ultimately, it wasn't for me. But if you were going to use it, I would say make sure you use this in your evening skincare routine. Remember, it's got a 24-hour mechanism of action, so it doesn't matter whether you use it in the morning or the evening, it'll still be working to provide antioxidant benefit. However, your evening skincare routine tends to, on the most part, be more simplistic. You won't be using things such as pure form vitamin C or exfoliating acids. You can actually use this alongside retinoids, which is traditionally found in your evening skincare routine. So I would say, to keep it super simple, cleanse the skin, use this or afterwards, then apply your retinoid, a moisturizer, and then you can go to bed and wake up with gorgeous, radiant, and still protected skin. For a lot of people, this just isn't going to be worth the hassle, which is why I think it's going to remain an unsung hero. But I wanted to share with you my experiences in case you've seen it during the Decium sale and I think, I'm tempted to give that a go. What do I need to understand? I think if you're willing to keep things super simple and you want to focus down on antioxidant support, this is a really great one to reach for. I've left a link to where you can purchase it in the description box below, and that link also contains a full list of the contraindications, the products you can't use alongside it. Definitely read that list extensively, because that'll help you to understand what you can and can't incorporate it alongside in your skincare routine. And I think that's the best way of making sure that you're not wasting your money on this product by destroying those enzymes before they've even delivered you any great benefit. For those of you that love the superoxide dismutase mist by Neod but want to achieve very similar outcomes at a fraction of the cost, this could be a really nice product to slot into your skincare routine. Like I say, share your own experiences in the comment section below, and wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.